Hi, this is your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic. I'm here with Austin today. Austin's having a little bit of issues in his low back and his hip. It's all on the right side. It's about a 7 out of 10 at the worst. When he's just sitting here right now, you're saying it's like a 6?
Yeah, it's not too bad sitting down, but kind of when I get up and start moving around is when I do feel it.
Okay, and how long have you been dealing with it?
About 3 or 4 weeks now.
3 or 4 weeks. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do some muscle work on the area. We're going to do some adjustments, and you'll be all set, okay? We're going to do first, Austin, you're going to go on your stomach, face down. So typically with these sorts of things, hamstrings and glutes. Are you working out?
Yes.
How many days a week?
Probably about 3 days a week.
Okay, good. Weightlifting, cardio, both?
A little more weightlifting, little less cardio now.
Yeah, I know what you mean, man. The weightlifting is way more, I don't know, I guess it's more fun in a way. Cardio is just repetitive, you know.
Exactly.
Where are you going for working out?
Retro Fitness.
In Newton?
I was just there today, but I go to the one in Florham Park. Just 'cause
Okay.
it's closer down to me.
So can you go to any retro then?
Yeah, you can. That's why I did it, just because with my job, I don't really know where I'll be.
Right.
So yeah, you can go to any of them in the country, which is nice.
Are you sitting a lot at work?
Not too much. It goes from like sitting for like a half hour and then being on your feet for like 3 hours. So
Right.
It's not too. I mean, it's a lot of moving around, but
Right.
a lot of driving too.
Oh,
that might
yeah.
play a part in the pain.
That's cool that you can go to any of the retros around here, because
make it
there's
very
quite a
convenient.
few of them.
Yeah, there's probably, they're all about within like 20 minutes of each other, like everywhere you go, which is nice.
Yeah. I know the retro in Florham Park too.
Yeah, right on Columbia Turnpike.
Yep, right there.
Yeah, it's nice. I've never like been down in that area ever in my life, so it's nice to like work down there and see other parts of not just Sussex County.
Yeah. The pizzeria, Nona's, you know that place?
Yeah, I've heard of it.
That one, best pizza in Morris County.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Might have to check that out.
Yeah, that place is good, and then there's a place called Pulio's Brick Oven.
Okay.
Have you seen that place?
I
It's
have
right
not.
next to the Walgreens.
Okay, right in Florham Park there?
It's right in that center, but it's not in the shopping center. It's like one lot down.
Okay.
So you know Walgreens in the corner
Yeah,
there?
yeah.
It's like behind Walgreens.
Okay.
But that place has the best chicken parm.
Right, that's my
Like,
favorite food.
no joke. Anyone watching outside of New Jersey, New York area, chicken parmesan, good stuff there. All right, so we're going to do some adjustments on the mid-back first. All you have to do is breathe in and out. Good. And again here. And here. And one more here. Let's go on your side, left side down, right side up. Did you have to shovel in this last?
Yeah, I mean,
Snow?
we didn't get too much snow, so it wasn't too bad. But
Bring your right knee to your chest and back down. Yeah, it was a lot of ice, right?
and then the rain.
And
but
keep doing that. Bring it up and down. But it's warm now.
I know, it's supposed to get up to 50 by the end of the week, which is crazy.
That is crazy. It was I think 1 degrees on Monday.
When I woke up for work yesterday, I checked the weather and it said it feels like -17.
Yeah.
I was like, this is crazy.
Yeah. Going from that to 50 in 1 week is like,
make sense.
people are going to be getting sick. And you get like a cold or whatever.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Vitamin D, people.
Yes.
How's the pressure here?
It's good.
So this is like a really common spot for people with hip pain. It's like the glute med piriformis area. Are you foam rolling this at all?
Honestly, not.
Yeah, that's okay. It's good to be honest, man.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I mean,
people
I
like,
did a lot of
definitely.
the foam rolling when I was playing baseball, but I don't know, now I just kind of go to the gym, work out for 30 minutes, and call it a day at this point. But I know I definitely need to start stretching again because I can tell such a difference when I stretch and when I don't stretch.
Absolutely. Bring your leg back, and then you're going to follow out like that, like you're kicking a ball. So this is for his low back muscle, the QL, quadratus lumborum. Another common culprit in back pain. And one more here. And relax. Let me borrow this leg. And get your hip flexor. You're sitting, driving around for work. Definitely got to loosen this up.
Yeah.
Did you watch football on Sunday?
Of course.
What do you think?
I mean, they were two great games. It's kind of that controversial call in the first game is a little interesting.
Poor Breeze, huh?
Yeah,
that's
a
rough.
way.
Man.
A lot of people were saying this was kind of
your back, face up.
His last chance to.
You think so?
I mean, they're going to be good, but a lot of the younger teams now are starting to kind of take over. So I mean, he was being that close. That's tough.
Mahomes looks good, man.
Oh, he's awesome.
He's definitely good. Rotate here toward me. And breathe in and out. Good. Go flat on your back. I'm going to get your hip. Relax this leg. Good. Bend that knee. And rotate here. Breathe in and out. Good. Flat on your back. And we'll get your neck. How's your neck been?
It's been good.
Yeah?
No problems there.
How close is that retro in Foreign Park to Madison?
Probably about 10 minutes or so. Yeah, we're right on Main Street in
I guess
Madison, so you can kind of cut through. I don't even know. It's like a side road that comes right out to that light, right where
I know
Columbia
exactly what you're
Turnpike
talking
is,
about.
and then it's just right across the street there.
I got my dog in Madison.
Oh yeah.
At that St. Hubert's there.
Mm-hmm. What kind of dog do you have?
She's a Carolina dog.
Okay.
Which I only recently learned to breed.
Mm-hmm.
Relax your neck here. Good. Good. Let's check motion side to side. And we got one more spot. Let your neck relax. Good. Okay, let's sit up and test out that spot in the back and the hip. Was there any motion that bothered it before?
It was kind of just while I was just getting up, but it does feel a lot better.
Good.
Just feels looser.
Anything still there, or is it gone?
No, it actually feels pretty good right now.
Good. Okay. I'll show you a couple stretches.
Thank you very much.
And we'll go over some stuff that you can do to help manage that yourself as well.
Cool.
Thanks everyone for watching. I'm Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic. This is Austin. Thanks for doing the video for me. And we'll see you guys later.